Yeah, we are.
Like a glove.
We are on Showboat Road going north. We just went by 7th Street, the elevator, that area. On 12th? Yeah, we can go west there. Okay. Okay.
We'll go around.
We tried turning down 12th, but we slid through the intersection. So we're gonna go over the overpass here and try and turn around. Road's pretty bad. I'm not sure, but yeah, we can go down that road and go back to 281, that direction. That's right.
This is down to a 1 lane.
We're going probably about 30, and honestly, the way the highway is, it's probably down to just 1 lane. It's getting deep enough snow here. We're just kind of following some tracks. Yeah, that's what I think that's probably about what we're at over where we're at. It's probably about 5 inches. Yep. Yeah, yep. Yeah, it's really coming down. Yeah, I've drove through my fair share of snowstorms, and this is one of the worst. Well, it's happening. I was hearing it too. Where's the snow? Where's the snow? Well, just wait.
It's a gravel road. I don't remember. Yeah, this is gravel road. That guy's about to go off the edge.
This guy in front of us, he's about to go off the edge of the road. Not entirely sure what he's doing. Yeah. There he is. I kind of wonder. There he's kind of getting back into the road, but yeah, every road we've been down's been bad. We haven't been down one that's I would recommend going down. That's for sure. I think we'll probably be okay for a little bit, but yeah, at some point, probably not too long, we'll have to find a spot and park it. Oh. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's working on our end, but yeah, if we need to, we can restart it. Oh, yeah, let's try to reconnect. Yeah. Yep, it's back now, I think.
We'll be coming out by Spady's here in just a little
Yeah,
bit.
like at my house, I live on Baltimore. I don't have cell reception at all. Uh-huh. Yeah, I could believe it. Nope, I don't think so. Yeah, yep, and he's actually turning around. We're just by Jerry Spady's. We're gonna turn onto that little front edge road, and then we'll get on 281. But we're gonna let him pass. $439 million, and I wouldn't mind having that. That's right. Yeah, it was real bad. Yeah, we're going to attempt to get... Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Sliding a little bit. Yeah, looks like they are starting to kind of plow some of the streets at least.
I'm a country driver.
Yeah. Yeah, and we're going to turn and get on the 281 and go south. It's been a while. Looks like traffic's moving fairly decent, but yeah, we'll find out here in a second. Yeah, I think it's a little bit of all of the above. There was definitely some slick spots forming before it started. Yeah, it's really slick.